This is what I'm looking at on gold today. So I'm starting from daily time frame. So you can see that daily time frame is in uptrend. So this is the level of the daily time frame. So this is the zone for a buy. But already you can see that it's in uptrend. So let's go down to 4 hours time frame. So on this 4 hours time frame right now, gold is about to break this swing high here. It broke this swing high on Friday, then coming back to retest it, it is about to break the new one. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So 4 hours is also showing uptrend. So on this 1 hour time frame now, you can see that it's also in uptrend. You can see the lower lows that is dropping. You can see the lower lows that is dropping. So now this is what I'm looking at to take a buy on this gold. From this where the gold is right now to this swing low, I will be looking for a buy confirmations. From their high to here, I will only be looking for a buy confirmation. I will only start looking for a sell confirmation whenever gold take out this swing low. Then that's when my bias will change. That's when I will start looking for a sell. But right now, what I'm looking for is a buy. These candles have not closed, but you can see that this particular candle broke this body, but it has not hasn't broke the shadow, but it broke the body. But this body that it broke is okay for you to start looking for a buy confirmations. So this is one of the entry you can use on this 1 hour time frame. I have different entry I used to take this trade, but I will only explain this particular one because it's very simple to understand. So just watch out for this gold to drop into this zone, then come out back and retest, then take a buy. This is your zone, this is your entry point. So you can take a buy there and target like 1 to 4. So that's your there. You take a buy and entry, stop, then look for your 1 to 4. Actually, I don't know how far gold will drop, so you understand that this stop loss is is just an example, but I can see drop it there. It's just an example, but this entry is real. This is the real entry, but this stop is not the real stop. But whatever your stop is, target 1 to 4. Look for 1 to 4, and immediately you enter the trade and good move into profit and get to this wherever it stops. I don't know where this might get to before it will start dropping, but if you give this buy confirmation and whenever you get to that swing high that started dropping, make sure you move your stop loss, your entry point, or you book some profit, because that swing high might drop it. So don't just leave it open, book some profit or move your stop to entry point, because whatever made this gold start dropping from this level now, from this zone, just know that there are sellers here that drop it. So whatever makes gold come back, as if they drop it to this zone, whatever makes it to come back again from here to here, they might still drop it again. The sellers that are here might still drop it back again. That's why you have to move your stop to entry point if it's getting to this zone, or book some profit, then move your stop to entry point. So if you refuse to continue going up, then you know that you didn't lose all the profit, or you didn't take out your stop loss. Because looking for the 1 to 4, sometimes this level can also give you the 1 to 4. Depends what the stop loss is, maybe sometimes this level might be the 1 to 4. But I'm just doing this as example because I don't know the how the market data will look like when this confirmation happens. So what I'm doing here is just a scenario, but because sometimes when you enter from here, that level that market started dropping might give you the 1 to 4 you're looking for. But what I'm doing here is just an explanation for you to understand for you to know how to manage your trade. But I will send this signal, I will mark it out on the chart and send it to my Telegram channel. So my Telegram channel link is below this video, is in the description. So if you want to join, just click it in join Telegram. I will also send it as in the screenshot on the Telegram for you guys to understand is where the entry is and other stuff there. So I guess this is all you need right now. There is other entry for this, but I cannot start explaining all the entries here. Now it will take long. So because I have to post this video so you guys understand. So but look out for this entry. Just from if this goes started dropping back from that swing high to this, keep looking for a buy confirmations. That's all you need. If you don't know what you can use to get a buy confirmation inside here, if it came inside here, if it comes inside here and started retracing back, just wait for the go to break out of here and retest, then you can take it from here. This one is very simple. So that is it, guys. Let's see how this will play out. I hope it will retrace back and give us the confirmation.